Hello and welcome back to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, I say go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then tap, tap, tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. However, if you're back, for more unboxing shenanigans, I'm about to give you what you want. I just lied because no, I'm not. I'm not doing an unboxing video today. What I decided to do was a special video. Why? Because I opened up these boxes and I'm like, that's not my style. Oh, that's not my style. That's not my style. So that leaves some people thinking, okay, so what is your style? So what I decided to do was something that I am dubbing Chucks and Chapstick in the wild. Those are my animal sounds. Anyway, so I'm just putting together a really short video of some of the things that I wear from day to day, some of the outfits that I throw together. So maybe that'll give people more of an idea of, how I style myself from day to day. And then, of course, I'm going to do a little silly history of myself. So if you stick around for just a few moments, you'll be able to see Chucks and Chapstick in the wild. See you on the other side. So what kind of things happened in 1978? First of all, the movie Grease was released. A lasagna-loving fat cat hit the scene, terrorizing his owner, and the game Simon took the world by storm. But most importantly, baby Osceola was born. Oh! Since she didn't have a job or a car, her Gaga was responsible for dressing her, and Gaga loved frills. But you can tell early on that Osceola didn't. But I started to protest the outfit choices. So you can see here that I'm slowly morphing into a jeans and tennis shoe kind of girl. Then I landed a job in high school, started buying my own clothes and could do what I want. Everything I wore was athletic. Thug life, suckers. But then junior prom rolls around and I'm so used to wearing jeans and athletic wear that I struggle trying to pull a really cute prom dress look together. I really spent the next several years really trying to figure out my style, how to mix casual and cute with comfy. I wanted to be comfortable dressing up if I needed to. Here I am at a wedding. Can you believe somebody else showed up with the exact same dress as I did? Guess who wore it better? Neither one of us. She dressed hers down with a cardigan and flats, and I dressed mine up with pearls and a pair of patent leather heels. See, I thought I was about to be shady. We both looked damn good in that dress. And then here I am being sexy summer casual. Cut off shorts. Give him some shoulder. Show him some leg. Please, Hammer, don't hurt him. And then I also know how to dress like a lumberjack. Young and fun with a jean jacket and a bodycon dress. And then super obnoxious and playful in my Elmo fur jacket. 6 words: Maya Angelou, Nikki Giovanni, Toni Morrison. And I've never been afraid of playing with color. I have this green moto jacket, mustard colored pants, and leopard print flats. Come through. This is actually the one blazer that I own. I just like the print of it. Rolled up cuff jeans and a pair of Western inspired red boots. Again, I love color. And then last but not least, I have on this floral bomber jacket with the sports cuffs and a pair of rose gold Eastland shoes, saddle shoes. They're so comfortable. My style really is all over the place. And maybe that's part of the problem, is that I don't have so much of a defined style, or I haven't been able to at least communicate my defined style in order to have these boxes send me things that I really want to buy, because that's really the whole point. It's not to get these boxes, complain, send it back, make a video. It's really to get things that I really like that are suitable to my style. So I'm asking you guys to help me define my style. If you think, based off of the pictures that you saw, that you have a really good, set of words that may define my style, then I am all ears and eyes. But be nice. Don't be like, oh, your style should be defined as streetwalker chic. Don't be nice. But anyway, I'm teasing. I've you guys are all nice. I'm just being silly, but yeah. Anyway, what I will say though is that at no point during any of those pictures did you see me in lace, frills,
or bell sleeves.
so whatever I need to do to eliminate those three things, give me the words for it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. Taking a walk down memory lane. I hope you guys had a chuckle over a thing or two that I said. But anyway, any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.